Welcome back, guys. Thanks for joining me again. Pancake time. Pancake and syrup, a bit of lemon juice. Start the day well. I'm loving it, aren't we, Bex?
Yeah, can't wait for some pancakes.
Yeah, we're all a bit hungry this morning.
You flipped one yet?
No, I'm not chancing it.
You flipped one in Finland, didn't you?
Go on then, Ange, flip that then.
Is that ready to flip?
Well, it's nearly there.
Sitting gills, is it?
There you go.
Hey!
Well done, Ange. First thing in the morning. So Mrs. Bushwhacker's gone home now. She's gone back, but we're gonna stay on, me and Bex, for another 4 days. Waiting for that sun to come out, aren't we? Yeah. It was lovely earlier. It come out and a bit of warmth. This is our first camp out here, so we're getting things sorted. And as the weeks go on, you know, I won't be coming up here every week. We'll obviously be in the Land Rover, but you know, as the weeks go on, see how we progress with the camp. Oh no, it's been really nice. It's been nice sleeping under the top. So I've done, how many nights I've done under the top? 2, haven't it? Yeah. 2 nights under the top, and then I've done a night in the rooftop tent. So I'm gonna have a night up there tonight, and I think then Becky's gonna have a go up there as well. She hasn't been up there yet, so yeah, mixing it up. It's lovely having the 2 fires. You know, the fire there and the cook station, which you've seen. That's what I'm calling it, the little cook station. And I've got my little burner there that I made a long time ago with a friend of mine. So we set up a little shower now, guys, which is really handy. It's awesome for a nice douching. And then over this way, past my hammock set up. See, what I'm planning on doing is having little corners in this woodland, you know, with different kind of themes. Oh, fell down a hole then. But over here, I've got my little piggy stall, but I like this corner. We're going to call this like self-reflections area. You just come out and have a nice deep thinking moment, gather your thoughts. So I've got my piggy stall there, and then I'll sit on that, and then just look out into the woodland. So it just gives you a whole different dimension. There's a nice seating area just there as well, on that birch with a. So that's nice. So this is a lovely little area. You know, 4 more days of this, I'll be well chilled. But I really enjoyed myself. It just takes a while to like decompress. You know, when we had the other camp, it took a while to really sort of get into it, but oh, unbelievable. It's really nice. As long as you've got nice food and the weather's not too bad, and you've got a nice area to camp in. Beautiful. And I'm gonna have a walk down there and show you the other piece of woodland that's down that area. But I love this woodland because it's quite diverse. You know, we got pine and broadleaf. One that's quite ancient as well. Some of these beech trees and that go back 250 years. But this is where we see the badger the other day in here. But this bit's really nice. This will be nice when when it's really stifling hot and you just want to get out of that sun. I'll just probably chuck the hammock up in here. Ooh, another hole. There's a nice thick canopy in here. You know, when these leaves are fully out, it's going to be lovely and shady. And then it just goes on and on. And all these logs you see stacked here, they were from the big storm we had in 1986. Some of it's a little bit punky. I've tried burning a couple, you know, that have been protected, but they've been sitting there quite a while. But now I've got this camp, I'm thinking about getting a chainsaw. It's going to make life a lot easier for firewood, especially if we're going to stay up here in the winter. You know, obviously use a saw for the little pieces, but you know, I want to harvest some logs, bring the wood burner and that up here. And I think Becky's talking about getting a bell tent with a wood burner in it, so that'll be beautiful. And chop up some nice logs with a chainsaw, because there's so much standing deadfall, dead standing in here, but some of it's, you know, quite big. So little chainsaw will be on my list, I think. Plus I can leave it in the Land Rover when we go on our trips. I think we're gonna have Becky's gonna do a cook up. After that we're gonna do a bit of archery, aren't we? After dinner.
Yeah.
Because I've got
You're
a bit
gonna show me how it's done, aren't you?
No, I've got a bit rusty, haven't we? Like we said before, you gotta keep practicing your skills, haven't you? Keep it going, otherwise you get rusty.
Yeah. Just knocking up a nice tea time bun. Me and the Baxter. Look at you laughing. Chilled out now, aren't we? Yeah, really chilled out.
Going with the pace of nature now.
Yeah, you've had a nice little go on the archery.
Yeah, had a go on the archery. Had no tech for 4 days. No tech at all. No TV, no Netflix. YouTube, the phone,
Gonna list all the apps now.
nothing. All we've had's the sound of the birds and the roar of the fire. It's the current. Morning guys, day 5. It's about 6 o'clock. Got myself a nice cup of coffee. Becky's still asleep in a rooftop tent, but she's loving it up there. Got a couple of fires going. It's quite chilly this morning. It's about 4 degrees last night. So a stunning morning. Birds are singing. Lovely place to wake up to. So I'm going to sit around a fire and me coffee. Becky's up now. She had a night in a rooftop tent. Go on in, Becky, what's your first impressions of the tent?
Yeah, it's really nice. Really luxurious. And yeah, I like it. It's nice sleeping up that high, isn't it?
You slept all night?
Yeah.
I've got this nice tool here guys. I've just been going around slashing the brambles, keeping the brambles down because they're quite invasive. So miranding around, slicing through, brilliant tool for that, you don't have to bend. And there's a few birch saplings as well, we're going to get them out because they'll just take over eventually. So just come back for a coffee and then I'm going to get back to it.
Which one of them things?
Let's have a look. Schaefer. Just getting rid of the proud roots. Because we stub our... Oh, you're doing a good job there.
It's rotten, so...
Good tool that, isn't it?
Yeah.
She's working off her breakfast.
What are you doing then?
I've been raking a few leaves up and managing the camp. That's good. At least we won't stub our feet on that now.
Yeah.
So Becky's preparing dinner for tonight.
We've got chicken, jack of potatoes, and corn on the cob.
And you're doing the chicken in the Dutch oven.
Yeah, bit of Dutch oven cooking. Can't beat it.
Very nice. How long will that take then?
About an hour. So we're going to put the lid on there, keep the flies off.
Very nice.
So I'm just going to sit here for a while, and in a minute I'm going to put the jacket potatoes on. So what we've got is jacket potatoes and sweet corn with, is it spatchcock chicken?
Spatchcock chicken, yeah.
Yeah, spatchcock chicken in the Dutch oven.
So Becky's served up a storm. We're going to tuck in now. Cheers, Becky.
No worries. Can't wait to eat it now. I'm gonna go eat that. Yeah, your knife's
You
there,
manage
by
it?
the way. I don't know. I might sit there.
guys, day 6, just having me cowboy coffee, sitting around standing around the fire. Had a good night back in the rooftop tent. That's my second night in there. And Becky was in the hammock. How did you sleep, Bex? Good?
Yeah, really comfortable.
Nice, wasn't it? Lovely evening. So up this morning, we're going to have a bit of a chill out, go have a bit of archery, maybe a bit of slingshot. And I might see if I can have a shower today. See how it goes. What's that, birch ball?
Yeah. Yeah, it is. Hoping to make a little Cusco or something.
Yeah, that's lovely.
Yeah.
It's chilling, isn't it?
Yeah, really nice.
How
Feel a
many
lot
more
better now
days?
I've had a shower.
Yeah, Becky jumped in that shower earlier. So, back on the archery, guys. Keep your hand in. Still practicing, guys. 20 minutes. My hands are getting a bit sore now. Right, guys. I suppose some of you are wondering who my hero is. And here he is. Becky bought me this. Percy Harrison Fawcett. Great book, great man.
Great
Great
read.
story. If you want to read about a real man, he's the guy. Awesome.
We can read that one.
That one. No, out of the two guys, it just shows you how soft man has become. I'll just show you the back of the book if any of you are interested. So if you like expedition and tales of men going to extremes, this is the book for you. One man, one mission. Morning, guys, day 7. So I've been up about 10 minutes. Had a great night in a rooftop tent. So I'll be putting this away today, I think, the rooftop tent. Giving it a bit of an air out, sweep it out, put it away, and I'll spend my last night in the hammock. So it's slowly coming to an end, but it's been absolutely awesome. Well chilled out now. Lovely morning as well. So it's going to be about 18 today. Becky's collected loads of cones yesterday, so that'll be helping with our fire starting. Plenty of resources here. We've been here 7 days and it's really taking shape. The fire pit looks absolutely great. So yeah, it'll be interesting to see this place after a few months. Alright, Bex, I want to ask you a question now. You've been here for 6 days.
Yeah.
What have you learnt about yourself in 6 days?
I would say I take a lot of things at home for granted. Like you get up and you just turn on the tap and you got fresh running water, or you can just walk downstairs, turn on the shower and you got instant hot water, flick the kettle, you don't have to cut firewood and things like that. So just, you take all the simple things for granted, I'd say.
And last question, put you right on the spot here, and
Yeah.
You've had 6 days here. What's a piece of equipment you've really appreciated during your 6 days? A piece of equipment that you've really enjoyed using?
What, anything?
Yeah, one piece of equipment he really enjoyed using.
Probably that kettle.
The kettle, you really enjoyed that. You got a lot out of that.
Well, it's done a lot, hasn't it? Or my sleep system. Yeah, one of them. Or the shower. I like the shower.
No, you can only pick one.
Oh, that's hard.
One piece of equipment that's really made you put a smile on your face.
Yeah, probably the shower, when you're feeling really groggy and then you feel really awake and fresh again, and you're just warming up around the fire.
So you think a shower's a must for 6 days?
For long term, yeah.
On 6th day, start off, so we mean to go on fresh pancake. Morning guys, day 8, our final day, so I haven't been up long. Join the dawn chorus like I normally do, so we've got to pack up today and go home. Really settled in now, day 8, really nice. Could go on and on and on I think, but get back to work. Glad you joined us along the way. Hope you really enjoyed it. It's been great fun, and hope it's been inspirational for you. Some of you to get out there and enjoy the great outdoors. But if you ever get the opportunity to do something like this, yeah, definitely go for it. It's definitely good for the soul. Absolutely loved it. Amazing how relaxed you become as well. So we've had some great cook-ups. Some great chats, me and Becky around the fire, and great walks. Seen a lot of nature, and there's some great weather, so it's been a great trip. It's all the greats. Oh, looking rugged this morning. Got to pack up. Put everything away. Well, most of it we put away yesterday and last night. Get home, have a clean up, and then over to the airport because we're going to pick Louise up today. She's coming back from Tanzania, so that's going to be a massive culture shock for Louise to come back. So looking forward to seeing Louise when she gets back and hear all her stories. She's had a great time out there. So thanks for watching. Like I always say, enjoy the great outdoors. See you on the next one.